Hey there, this is Becca from YouCanBookMe, and if you've been using YouCanBookMe for a while, you might be wondering, is it time to try out some of the paid features or upgrade to professional? If that's you, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through exactly what's included in the YouCanBookMe Professional plan, who it's built for, and actually what it looks like in your day-to-day. So, who is the professional plan designed for? It's for anybody whose calendar is directly tied to their revenue. Think coaches, consultants, financial advisors, service businesses, freelancers. If bookings aren't just a slot on your calendar, if they're how you serve your clients and bring in income, this is the plan for you. Basically, if you want your booking plan to help you run your business, not just fill your schedule, Professional is an upgrade that can make a big difference for you. Let's start with the absolute basics. Professional gives you 6 calendar connections, up from 2 connections on the individual plan. That means YouCanBookMe can check across all of your calendars in real time, so your clients only ever see the times they're actually available to book with you. Think of it this way. I've got my work schedule, my personal schedule, my hockey schedule, my kids' soccer schedule, every other schedule layered on top of there. There's too many. But instead of making everything sync to one Google Calendar or doing some weird workarounds or praying I don't get double booked, I just have my YouCanBookMe checking all of them simultaneously. Now, my bookers can't see that Tuesday at 4 p.m. my kid has soccer. They just see I'm not available at that time. That's all they get to know. It's none of their business. But my YouCanBookMe account is automatically checking all of my schedules. If I'm meant to be watching hockey, I'm watching hockey. If I'm meant to be doing personal things, I'm doing personal things. I don't need to worry about getting double booked. So you have 6 calendars that you can connect, which is really impactful. Next, you also get 10 booking pages. That way you can create separate booking pages for each service, client type, campaign, whatever you want to do. Each booking page can have its own availability, its own booking form questions, its own branding, its own pricing, its own follow-up sequences, whatever you want it to do. And here's something that comes in really handy. You can actually list multiple appointment types on a single page. So you could offer on one booking page a discovery call, a one-to-one session, a strategy intensive, all in one booking page. In my example, I have so many booking pages. I have one my colleagues can book me on though. I have one for YouCanBookMe demos for prospective YouCanBookMe users. And I have one for existing YouCanBookMe users who might need a little bit of extra help. And that way I can have different details and different availability for each of those groups. In your instance, clients can pick what they need. It's easy for them, it's more revenue for you. And it's super duper organized, which I love. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful parts of this plan, which is the automated workflows. I already teased those a little bit, but getting the booking is honestly just the beginning. There are so many reminders to send, prep info to share, follow-up emails to write, review requests to go out, all the tiny admin tasks that happen around every single meeting. And you don't have time for that stuff, you're busy. With the professional plan, you can have all those tasks happen automatically. You set them up once. YouCanBookMe sends the right message at the right time before, after, during every single booking. And they don't sound like generic robot emails. You control the content. You can write the words, instructions, link, resources, payment reminders, forms, whatever your client needs. And there's also no-show workflows, which are a big deal in my mind because my time is valuable. If you're not going to show up to a meeting, it's going to bug me, respectfully. But if somebody doesn't show up for your meetings, you can automatically trigger follow-up workflows to figure out where the heck did they go? Are they coming back? Are they going to rebook with you? And you can set up automatic rebooking reminders too, so that your past clients are prompted to follow up with you and book with you again in the future without you having to chase anyone. You could even book a full year in advance to have somebody be reminded to book with you again. We have a dentist who does that. A year after your dental appointment with that person, you get a reminder from YouCanBookMe saying, hey, you should go to the dentist once a year. That's what my dentist keeps telling me. But more repeat bookings is a beautiful thing, especially when it comes with less manual effort. SMS, text messages, if you're my age, are available across YouCanBookMe plans as an add-on. But with the professional plan, there's a little bit of extra. With the professional plan, you can have a dedicated business line for your SMS. That means if you already have a phone number dedicated to your business, you can send your YouCanBookMe text message reminders from that phone number. Your clients are seeing a recognized business number, and it's not your personal cell phone number. Don't worry, you don't have to give that out. It keeps things professional. It makes your reminders a lot easier for clients to recognize, trust, and feel comfortable with. Especially useful for anything where a missed appointment might be a real problem. Consultations, sales calls, financial reviews, home service visits. They're going to see reminders from your number, and that's huge. Professional also gives you a ton more control over who can book you and when. You can turn on request-only bookings, meaning if you want to book with me, you can send in a request and I'll get back to you on a yes or no answer. If you're allowed to book with me, it'll go through as approved. If I don't want to meet with you, you're going to get a polite no thank you. And I love the request-only bookings feature because it gives me control about who gets my time. You can set daily booking limits so that one busy day doesn't destroy your week. For instance, in my calendar, I take 3 meetings a day. That's it. I have stuff to do. I have videos to record, hello. So I can't be in meetings all day long. 3 meetings is my max. I don't know what yours is, but you can choose it for yourself. You can block specific email addresses or domains from booking for you. So if you want to have invite-only pages, if you want to block a difficult client, if you want to make sure somebody is booking using their business email, you can block gmail.com if you really want to so that they have to use a corporate email address. Get creative. Maybe you want to block your competitors. Maybe there's just somebody you don't feel comfortable dealing with anymore. Block them. Easy. You also get unlimited booking form questions on the professional plan, so you can collect everything you need up front. Short answer, long answer, multiple choice, check boxes. There's so many things you can do. There are also hidden and pass-through form fields, so you can pull in campaign data, pull CRM details, and have the booker not know any of this is happening behind the scenes, but you're going to be even more prepared for your meetings. On top of that, you can add internal notes within your bookings, customize what people see on your booking page when it's unavailable, and redirect clients to your custom landing pages of your choice on your website right after they book. You can also run promo codes, create packages, sell add-ons, remove the YouCanBookMe branding entirely, make it just your brand. This is all about you. We don't need to be in the party. We're just the tech behind the scenes. White label us. That's what we're here for. It's still scheduling. It just is a lot more of a polished client experience. The professional plan also connects your booking page to everything your business runs on. One of the biggest upgrades in moving to the professional plan is the native HubSpot integration. When somebody books with you, their details automatically flow into your HubSpot account. Contacts can be created or updated, booking details logged, reschedules and no-shows tracked automatically. So there's no more manually updating your CRM after every call. Thank goodness. The other one that comes with the Pro plan is Zapier integration, which opens up another 7,000 to 8,000 integrations. I've lost count at this point. You can have new bookings sent automatically in Slack and Google Sheets, have bookers go into your MailChimp automatically, create tasks in Asana or Trello or whatever project management software you like. Basically, connect YouCanBookMe to everything else in your workflow. And if you're running paid ads, you can also add tracking pixels for both Meta and LinkedIn, so you can see which campaigns are actually turning clicks into booked meetings. Last, but certainly not least, is analytics. The professional plan gives you real booking data, so you can make decisions about what's actually happening and what's actually making sense for your business. You can track total meetings booked, which pages are performing better, cancellation and no-show trends, revenue generated from your bookings, love that one, and how many SMS messages you've sent. And once you can see those patterns, you can actually do something about them, because you're not running blind. Do you have a high no-show rate? Add in some reminders. Slow week? Push your best performing page. Discovery calls doing well, but paid consultants lagging? Add a follow-up that helps push leads over to the paid offer. It's the kind of clarity you can use to help your business grow. So, in a nutshell, that's the YouCanBookMe Professional plan. More calendars, thank goodness. More booking pages that I needed. Automated follow-ups, booking controls, deeper integrations, real analytics, all the good stuff. So, if bookings drive your business, this is the plan that helps make your booking page do a heavier lift for you. And also there's a 14-day free trial on the professional plan. No credit card required. Don't give it to us. Just try out the features. Let us know what you think. See if it's the right fit for you. Thank you so much for watching.